Good morning, guys. Oh no, what time it be? Afternoon? Oh, it's still morning. It's just 11:33. Good morning, guys. What's up? Welcome back to the Harris Family channel. I want to welcome all of my new subscribers. You know what I want you guys to do for me today? At the end of the video, I want you guys to drop your flag of where you're from, so I can know where my supporters are from, you know, who's supporting me. So all you have to do in this vlog is drop where you're from, well, the flag of where you're from, down in the comment box. So today is Friday. I'm not sure if this is gonna be a daily vlog or a weekend vlog, but guys, we're going to the laundry today. We're gonna wash some clothes. KJ in the back, and KJ knows having a big boogers. Big ass boogers in the shin. Anyway, guys, yeah, we're going to the laundry. We're gonna wash some clothes. No, I'm not taking KJ's clothes to the laundry. I'm not washing her clothes at the laundry. I'll wash KJ's clothes with my hands. Oh, this is laundry. I'll wash her clothes with my hands. So taking you guys with us, yeah. So I hope that you enjoy the vlogs like you guys been enjoying the vlogs. The love, the support, it is real. And although I'm not at 1,000 subscribers, guys, I am so appreciative. I'm so grateful for you guys. I'm so thankful because the love, just the love and the feedback, the support that you guys have been giving, it just makes me so emotional sometimes. Well, like yesterday, I felt like I was gonna cry. Like the love, the support, guys, I appreciate it. So we just got here. We're just at the laundry now, so I'm gonna take you in with me. Wait, we're gonna buy someone name in here. All right, so I'll check you guys when I'm inside.
Put the car in, put the car, put it in. It's gonna tell you how much. Please remove the car. It's gonna tell you how much is on the card.
Add value selected.
$3.10. Right? Just put down the whole thing now.
Put it in, put it in. So give me 1343.
Yeah. And press done. And that's it.
Thank you for
Stack that bitch up, man.
Guys, I have Jaquan washing. He's gonna wash the clothes, okay? Jaquan, you're gonna wash the clothes. Could Jay say hi to the vlog? They love you. They love you, baby. They love you. You know, love? No, you love them, okay? Alright, guys, so we're gonna get back with you. Jacob is just gonna load up all the clothes now. Let me tell you guys what I wash with back home in Antigua. I use, when I'm washing, I always use, well, everybody know the regular soap, Downy, Mistelina or any one of that, but I always add pine sol and ammonia. Chop, you know which side you go? I always add pine sol and ammonia, but I'm not seeing any ammonia in here. So just for today, I'm just gonna use the pine sol alone. Let me know if you use pine sol and ammonia too. My mom taught me that. Big up yourself, mommy. And I really love washing with them because it really pulls the dirt and it also makes the clothes smell extra good. So that is something that I do. If you do it, let me know.
Yo, see this the pack of white you're getting into? V-neck,
Gildan?
small. No, just tell her you want. Yo, let me.
You going in?
How about this? Let me.
Police now gonna trouble you.
No, just make it.
Middle life you run going to one of them story over there. But Kajay in here and she's sleeping, guys. Yes, we're on the shopping avenue. We're at that you saw this in the last vlog. We're at 4th Avenue, the shopping area. You know what I think I'm gonna do after I finish washing, so I think I'm gonna come down here by myself. I'm gonna walk down and I'm gonna do a little window shopping or pick up any little thing that I think I like. But you got to, babe. Yeah, as I was saying, Jacan was telling me to shop, buy clothes for the summer, and you know, for us to go out when we want to. Oh, look at there come. But I said to him, I am not in the mood to do any shopping for clothes right now, because by the time my birthday come, I want to at least weigh 200 pounds. And it's been a week since I'm here and I've been eating, but I ordered some bottles to do my meal prep juicing, and they're gonna be here. Look, rainbow, guys. I love rainbow. Cheap and affordable. To do my juicing meal prep, and that really worked for me because I was actually 265 pounds and I'm down to 230. When I came last Thursday, I was 231. You know, I put on a little weight because I have been eating foolishness and I have been eating late nights, which is fine. But like I said, I ordered my bottles and they're gonna come on Sunday so I can do my meal prep. Oh, I'm gonna need to buy a blender though. So you're gonna have to swipe that card again.
I need the iron too.
You hear? You wanna order it?
Well, we'll see how it look on. See if it's cheap.
Go home online and get it on Amazon. Yeah. So guys, look at all these cute little clothes, but I'm gonna sit them on the blind because I'm trying to lose this weight off by my birthday, at least weigh 200 pounds. Let me show them.
I was saying they want a fake bag. They want a fake Louis V.
We wearing them, okay?
Not we. Not fuck
we wearing them.
Not we.
Not me and you, me and them.
You and them can wear that.
So yeah, if I'm gonna pick up clothes, guys, it's gonna be basics like what I have on, right? Because could you really make me put on some weights? But yeah, when I do buy clothes, it's gonna be basic because I have no intentions to go anywhere like that until my birthday, you know. So I just can't wait until Sunday to come so I can get my shit back together. So while we go back to the laundry,
Where the bank?
you're going to the bank? Which one? Not the one that you just come from? Alright guys, so that's what they call the farmers market. They wish probably buy the timer balance. So okay, this is where we bought Kajay bed, guys, in this furniture store. So we will get back to you guys. Hey guys, so it's nighttime. It's after 9 actually. Kajaya cried, Jesus Christ. That little girl. What's she cry for? What's she cry for? She has a cry. What happened? Good night. Oh, I'm to drink one. Oh, he likes Sunday. Wait, guys. So, guys, you feel good? You feel chilly?
Not really. I just want to prepare myself.
Prepare yourself and in the carrier today.
Yeah, just in case.
So, guys, we're going McDonald's.
McDonald's.
We're going McDonald's.
McDonald's.
Well, Mina McDonald's. No, we're going McDonald's. Okay, guys. I don't have the twang. The McDonald's. So it's after 9, guys, and yes, Kajay is up. Like her sleeping schedule here is so off. Cause if Free was in Antigua, she would be knocked the hell out. Oh, Jay, I can't get back on the line tonight. She would be knocked the hell out, guys. We didn't really do much today, though. Guys, I really need to go and purchase some memory cards. I don't even know what I'm waiting on, because after we left the laundry today, we actually did some shopping, like basic. Remember I told you guys that I was gonna leave Jaquan and Kajay home and go back up at the avenue to get some basic stuff. Well, I went myself, and no, I'm lying. We actually went together, but I was gonna plug it, and then the camera battery, not the camera battery, the memory was full. So, and then I left my phone at home, so I could not get to vlog anything. But I didn't really do any big shop. I just went to Ashley, and I went to I wanted the two of them to get a good lighting. I went to Ashley and I went to Rainbow. We went Rainbow, Ashley, and we went Vim. So yes. So we just, and then after we got home, fold some clothes, slept, got up, and then, oh yeah, we got something to eat too. And now Jaquan is hungry, so he said we're going to McDonald's.
You know, I tell the people in your copy too.
Okay, what?
Some copy.
Jaquan, me get?
You know, I tell her that.
You lie.
Oh yeah, really.
Anyway, guys, yeah, I don't study with him. He's a liar, okay? So I'm virgin. I'm a virgin. So yes, guys, let me just show you guys outside here in the night. Yeah. As a matter of fact, trying to talk to the people then tonight.
You know, she's not telling the truth.
What kind of truth? Jaquan.
And then she get tired, knock out. She get knocked
That's
out.
a lie.
She get knocked out.
All these a restaurant, Little Caesar, where they sell salads, like Caesar salad,
Caesar salad.
brown sauces, and
That's a Little Caesars. They sell pizza.
Okay.
Ready make pizza. It's like $5.
Okay. Oh, on a train station right here. So where can this? Where can go with this on this train here?
This is anyway. I mean, this is the 205 train.
The 2 train and up for the Bronx.
Yeah, 205 train.
Cause I remember the 2 train.
This is the end of the train station.
Okay. I will never catch a train and you drive.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah.
You baby that?
Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Yes, guys, we're not doing much in this vlog. Like, there's not a lot to do. Sometimes we got shit to do, and sometimes not entirely for do. You know. So yeah, I'll catch with you guys. Oh, and all the buses up here. Up here, the bus on the. Oh, we're at McDonald's. Tell me about Mac. We're at McDonald's. Mac. It's Mac. McDonald's. McDonald's drive-thru. Oh, messy people and I can see. Yes, guys. Guys. Did you want the fries? How much chicken nuggets you tell them for me?
10 please. Even though you're not sourcing them so much.
Guys, let me look. I love McDonald's fries. Let me show you. Let me show you this. Look at all these fries, y'all. Just look. Make sure you mark which fries you eat, right? Make sure you mark which fries you're eating. Just when you cannot eat out to the two of them.
What?
That's why gut looks so. You just here, you put on a little weight, you run, go ride bike for 10 minutes and come back and look what you eat.
By next week, me good now.
That's so far. Good morning, guys. So today is Saturday. I think it's after 9. So I'm gonna, yeah, I'm a little messed up because I was feeding Kajia. Like I made her, it's not all the time I make it, you know, so she can have it from the bottle. So I made it so she can, you know, so I can spoon feed her. So, and she messed me up. Y'all don't even want to see how she's looking in there. But I am going to tidy up this kitchen and make some breakfast. Jacon wanted a sandwich, but all the bread finished. I'm gonna do what I made the last time: egg, bacon, and waffles, or maybe pancakes or something. So guys, I'm gonna tidy up this kitchen. And you guys said that you wanted to see Jokwan waxing me. I'm not sure if I'm gonna film it today. I might film it today because we don't have anything to do today. I might film it tomorrow, but definitely you will see this. I want to have a schedule for you guys, but because I want to post like 3 times a week, so it's gonna either be Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. But I'm not sure because I cannot create a schedule as yet, because you guys know that. Oh, no, she follow. You guys know that I will be seeking employment soon, because Thursday is gonna make 2 weeks since I came, and it takes 2 weeks for my social and so forth to get here, so I can start working, you know, take some of the strain off of Japan. Guys, I'm not even sure how I feel about it because I've been self-employed for like 3 years, but I gotta do what I gotta do. So yes, so I might just wait until I get a job to see how I can give you guys a schedule. But I'm gonna tidy up this kitchen, make some breakfast, and yeah, continue to enjoy the vlog. Even though we're not doing much, you guys don't expect us to always do much, you know, but I know that you guys are enjoying. So a lot of you were like, oh my god, I cannot even watch Netflix or cable. Guys, it's the series, it's the Harris Family series. Okay, so I'm gonna clean this kitchen up, and yeah, look at Kaja's face, guys. They can't see her face. Show them your face. Look at her face. Yeah, look at Kaja's face. Focus. Alright guys, so it's later in the day, guys. Really didn't do much today. I was gonna cook, but Japan said nobody cook on Saturday because I was gonna cook. He's not here. It's just me and Kajia. I actually just went outside just to catch some fresh breeze because we've been in the house all day, and then I'm tired because I went down 2 stairs, come back up 2 stairs. So So I went downstairs and I saw 2 packages from Amazon. I know one of them was supposed to be my bottles to start my juicing. So I'm gonna be meal prepping that tomorrow, and I'm not sure what the other one is, so I'm gonna unbox them with you guys. I'm gonna put. Alright guys, so I just propped you on 2 pillows. Hopefully they don't fall. Come baby. Where's the scissors? Could you say hi? Say hi. Okay, stay right here with me. I just had the scissors in my hand. I don't even know where I put it. But I'm going. What kind of nail tip do you want to have with brush and that pencil? Let me just. Okay, so these are the boxes. This and another big one. So let me open this one, which is at the top. Let me see what kind of nail clip. I'll open it. Hello. No more monkeys jumping on the bed. Hold on guys, let me look for these scissors. Money sharp. Oh, it's right here. Shit, it's a sharp more. Okay guys, so my battery is blinking, so let me hurry up. So these are my bottles. These are the bottles guys. These are 16 ounces. Yeah, 16 ounces plastic clear bottles to do my juicing meal prep. So yeah, breakfast and lunch. Let me see what this other thing is though. What is that? I did not. Kashima ordered this. Wait, Alicia? What am I? Wait, what am I? What's she out here? Come on there, guys. Hey, look what Auntie Kashima ordered for you. What is? Friend who cuddles, lights up, and teaches baby over 100 words, 75 and plus songs, sounds, and phrases. Thank you, Auntie Kashima. Yeah, because she did tell me she was gonna order something for Gajaya, but she's not gonna let me know until it gets here. I'll see what it is. So it's this. What's gonna ring? Money Kashia calling me. Yeah, she was calling me because she probably got the and this is a sheet, a four-piece toddler bedding set, guys, because she heard us saying that we're gonna order one. Only Kajay can get Kashima for swipe she can. So I did tell you guys that I'm gonna show you her bed. I'm gonna do that just now. So this is what she got for Kajay. Get y'all aunties like Kashima, okay? I can't wait for her to have a baby because I'm gonna spoil the hell out of her child. So guys, I'm gonna show you Kajay a bed. Let me show you guys quickly. So this is her bed. We just put that on the side just in case phone she fall along. So yeah, this is her bed. So I'm gonna make it up now and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, and I'm gonna call Kashima and thank her. Let me try and do that before the battery blink off. Let me call she people, because only she can get, only Kajay can get she for swipe she can. 4:32. She was calling me. Kajay, tell Auntie Kashima thanks.
You're so wonderful.
You get, yeah, the sun, and then you add the sun for Kajay. Look there, yeah.
Manda, I just got to
say hi to the vlog. You can see the camera on you now.
What is it?
Look, the camera on you. Yeah, only Kajay can get her to swipe her card.
Period.
And
I need to you.
Not even me. And then the teddy bear set. I showed them already. Kajaya. Kajaya played the bubbles.
It's a whole sheet set.
It's a whole sheet set with the bedding, with the comforter. I'm gonna make up the bed now.
Okay.
I'm gonna.
Say.
Kajaya, look, Auntie Kashima. Kajaya. Kajaya, look, Auntie Kashima, look. Look, Auntie.
Look, Auntie, baby.
Tell Auntie thank you.
No,
Girl, she's fascinated with the
bubble.
The bubble. But I'm gonna make up she bed. Alright guys, I'm gonna talk to Auntie Kashima. Always in my life. Always.
Is a rich auntie for me.
Period, Pooh. We got
Money.
so I'll catch back with you guys. I'm gonna make up Kajaya bed and show you what it's looking like. So guys, yeah, this is what her bed is looking like. What I like about this spread is that it's functional, and also the pillowcase is functional, so she can use it like this, or she can use it like this. And the quilts, when you turn it the other way, it looks like this with all the unicorns. So Kajaya got this learning teddy bear stuff from Fisher Price, and this is what she decided to play with. Alright guys, so thank you so much for tuning in, watching the vlog. Hope you enjoyed, even though there wasn't much to do. Can't remember where I left you guys before the outro. I think I was telling you guys about Kajaya's bed, and then my battery died, so yeah, there wasn't much to do guys. We went laundry, got food. Yeah, today's vlog is a very chill vlog. So I am going to end the vlog here. Kajaya is sleeping. I will be ending the vlog here guys. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, share the videos, and yeah, make sure you go and subscribe to my main channel, which is Keela K. I will link it down in the description box. I also would like you guys to go and support my friend, my good sis, on her channel. I'll also link it down in the description box. Her name is Marika, and she's gonna be new to the YouTube community. Leave my thing on my head.
People in Tennessee,
it's alright.
And there's something that tear.
You tear?
Yeah.
It's not tearing.
You tear, look up there. Nobody wants to look this. See? Nobody wants to see one something. Instead of buy about 3, then you buy 1.
So buy the next one. Next
Me
one
buy the next time. I'm going to give money. I'm going to give money and do what you want.
Anyway guys.
I want to see one head time. People tell this if you want head time.
And nobody wants to see with their natty something on your head.
No, I'm going to pass you, just watch. I'm going to pass you.
Anyway, me and your friend. Because tell the vlog that me and you not talk. So we're going to trouble my father.
Friend and company.
Tell them me and you are not friends.
Friend and company.
Anyway guys.
See your mouth white, look there. Everybody see that?
Yeah, right. I just came from my side nigga house.
Yo.
You want that before they got see? Yes guys, see you in the next. Yeah, my mom keep harassing me, asking me for the vlog. So she go watch the African people and them. So she look like the people and them from the motherland. Mommy, say hi. Say hi quick. May I end off the vlog. Talk quick. Say hi. Tell the people and them, tell them bye.
Tell her what?
Bye. I'm ending the vlog. My feel wait for you.
Yeah, she I mean, I understand where she hold up the vlog, so tell her I don't need to see the vlog. Okay?
That's our entertainment.
All right. Period. All right. Kajia, sleep. See you guys. Bye.